Hello guys, today we are solving SQL injection vulnerability allowing login bypass. Okay, here is my account to login. Mhm. The thing that you have username and password as your login credential, and you want like someone's Amazon account or Instagram account to gain like their access, and you know user but you don't know password. That time you can use some tricks like this, so you can get their account. So how it actually works means my username and password, right? First I will check login. It is invalid, okay? So what it will do is it will select a username from a table named users, where username is what we use winner, right? Winners and password is okay dinner. Okay. So it will complete our SQL query. If someone knows SQL query, then they will understand this properly. If you don't know, still it will work like this. So once we give username, we will take username, and from password field it will take password, anything that you are giving. Okay. So I got my request here, login form, right? Here it is. Then send this request 200, okay, but it will get the same invalid username or password. What we'll do is we use comment so that we can comment out the password thing. We don't know password, right? And we will access higher privilege user, that is administrator. Let's check it. Administrator. So double icon. We complete the username here only by using single quote and single quote. So how it will work means, yeah, let's check. If you know Java, this is commenting in Java. In Python, this we use in HTML. This we use for commenting. Similarly, in SQL we use double hyphen for commenting. So what actually it will do is we are using select, right? Selecting, retrieving data from user table, and giving the condition that username should be administrator. Okay, and what we are doing is here only we are making it as complete, right? So here we have two single quotes like opening and closing, and once we open, like we need to close also. So we are interfering the here password username only here. So if you add this, it will comment out this whole process. So what maybe you write as a password, and password equal to, if you don't write anything or if you write empty string, still it will comment out. So it's like nothing here. So it actually work like after processing interpreting this query in backend, it will goes like this. This, yeah, everything is removed. So select user whose username is administrator. Okay, I think you may get this. So we'll check this. Right. It's giving 200. Okay, so we need to find three not to found, right? So what this means is we get the access, right? Like we got login, so it will say three not to found, and when we send it, invalid token, but actually it works. Okay, administrator. Here only we can use, I guess. login. Yeah, we solved the labels. Your username is administrator. Now I have administrative access. I can do anything. Like this is my account. My account what? Oh, so some access. This is shop and all. As administrator, I can delete, edit anything I can do. Right? I think you may get this how SQL injection will work. Like if you don't know coding, still you can learn hacking. But if you know, you will get some logic how actually it is working. So that if you know something or you learn little bit basics, then it's good for you. Thank you. This is for this video.